Hey guys, so today I had a really great podcast with Tanya, who is senior PM at Reliance. This has been one of the best conversations I had so far. The way Tanya looks at life would definitely give you a new perspective. Her complete journey is a reminder that if you love what you are doing, are consistent, and have clarity, this alone can take you to places. I won't reveal much, just enjoy Tanya's journey to becoming a senior PM at Reliance. Like I wanted to know a bit about you, like starting. So, like I've known that you started as an ops person and eventually switched to product management, and now you are creating your own community as well.
So I started as a engineer, mechanical engineer to be specific, and soon I realized there's this whole world outside engineering. So I started getting into coding. Then I realized, okay, why not organize coding events? I finally came into management. My first job was with a Google vendor. It was into consulting. Then I went for the Google Operations Center, similar profile, focus into digital marketing. Then I realized, okay, now I'm into marketing. What else? What more can I do with my life? I came across product management. I'm like, okay, my role was very demanding at that time. So I decided, let's take 2 years of break, do an MBA meanwhile, and also learn product management. I started learning product management along with my MBA, did few internships, one
Mm,
with few others. So that was like a great experience. That internship actually helped me to understand what product is, product management
mm,
is, how to do it, the basics. And from there, I got placed into a financial company as a product manager. In a
mm,
year, I was promoted to senior product manager.
mm,
Then I switched again to an insurance company recently. So that has been it has been a very dynamic journey, I would say. Anyone who sees my resume definitely asks this question, like, you have switched your profile so many times, why so?
mm.
And I personally feel that is the USP for me, right?
Yeah.
That is my USP. I have worked in so many profiles that I'm a very flexible person. I can learn anything very quickly. So that
Mm,
works the best for me.
yeah. So much you said in your experience. I just want to go back, start from your college days only. You said you experimented a lot, right from event organization to marketing as well. So
Yeah.
वहां से चालू करते हैं डिटेल में कि मतलब exactly why you felt the need to explore and what all things you did and eventually why you think it is helping now.
Okay. So when I joined my college, I took mechanical engineering, not because I was very obsessed with mechanical engineering, but because we did not have the mentorship who would come and tell me, okay, in mechanical, this is what you learn. In electrical, this is what it is. In computer science, this is what you get to do.
Mm,
So I did not have that kind of a mentorship. And people said mechanical is evergreen. So I'm like, okay, let's take it. But how worse can it be? So when I entered, but there was always that spark in me that I want to know what other people do. So
mm,
I used to, like, whenever I used to get time, I used to go across different classes as well where I was not a part of. I used to
mm,
sit there. So a lot of teachers started recognizing me and they started realizing I'm not really part of their class. But they were
mm,
very supportive. They were very appreciative. That's what I always say for my college. They're
mm,
very, very supportive. And soon I started getting a little bit of hang of everything. I started to understand, okay, this is what electrical engineers do and stuff. And I thought computer science is something that I would want to get, like, explore more. But I'm already in mechanical, so I started
mm,
going into competitions instead. So I remember I participated in coding competitions. I did ethical hacking. I explored that as well. Android app development workshops. I went to website development competitions, and I actually got second place in one website development competition. So I did things that I never thought I could do.
mm.
That's what I did. And I think that made me stronger and more confident to do more things that I never would have imagined. So that helped. I explored a lot.
I was not knowing about this. आपको कोडिंग भी आता है. Nice thing to hear क्योंकि कभी आपने बोला भी नहीं है. You You had tried coding and everything. It is exciting, but curiosity कैसे आता है? Like along with your coursework, I'm sure BTech would be hectic as well. And most of the students spend time doing time pass and everything. वहाँ से motivation लाना during BTech to try all these things. So वो कैसे हुआ?
So I always used to tell myself कि तानिया एक डिसीजन तूने ऐसे ही ले लिया. It's a big decision to get into BTech and choose your stream. तूने तो ऐसे ही ले लिया. But आगे के decisions तू consciously लेना. So I always tell myself कि explore कर लो जितना करना है. फिर decision ले लो. and I'm the kind of person who likes to talk a lot. So when I talk to a person, they come up, they say a few things, and that kind of triggers. Okay, what does this word mean? Okay, how does this work? And then I kind of got deeper into those topics. I spoke to someone else related to that topic, and they gave me a few insights, and that kind of went on growing.
I don't know how many people face this thing. I face it quite often is that when you try new things, there is always fear of failure as well. What if it does not work out? And I've seen because of this, many people are not trying what they want to. And I'm sure you have tried electrical engineering, coding, everything. So तब वो fear नहीं था क्या क्या होगा?
So I think I was doing things very silently. Like because even I have the fear. Everyone has that fear. So let's just normalize having the fear. But I think courage comes from the fact that you still do it. Even when you are fearing that you would fail, you still go ahead and do it. That's courage. So it's okay to have the fear, but take a little bit of courage and explore, because if you don't do it, you're going to regret it anyway. So do and regret it.
Nice. Very few people think in this way. Everyone is like कि अभी आ गए यही करते हैं कोडिंग करना चालू किया है. I know many people who are just doing software engineering jobs just because आ गए बीटेक किया है CSE में तो कोडिंग ही करना है. That is the mindset which people have. This is a good perspective to have. How did you got into management? As you mentioned, अपने you were doing coding and all technical things. The transition कैसे हुआ then into management?
So this is another interesting thing that happened with me. In mechanical, I was the topper of my batch. And there was this institute, a very like good coaching, GATE coaching institute, very renowned by the way. They organized an aptitude test. And they picked top 10 candidates across India to train for free, to coach for GATE exam for free. What happened was, I was one of them. So I got free GATE coaching for a year.
Oh.
I was going for the exam, but like while going to the exam, there was an accident, not with me, with someone else. There was an accident, and the whole road was blocked for 2 to 3 hours. And there were 200 to 300 candidates who could not reach the institute, the center that year. And I was one of them. So I still wonder how life would have turned out if I would have went for GATE, because I was trained like very nicely by that coaching institute. And like I would have been doing MTech Tech 3, probably I would have been a teacher, I don't know. But I still wonder how I feel this is more exciting how my life has turned out, but nothing that I planned. So after that incident, I thought, okay, chalo, GATE का तो मौका गया इस साल का. What do I do? Let's start interviewing. And I saw a few mechanical companies as well, then few coding companies as well. And then due to some reason, I felt that this profile is interesting. Let's go with that. I just took a leap of faith. I went. It was a very good experience, by the way. It helped me improve my communication, because I used to talk to people from UK and US, and they are very direct with their communication. Like if you are not able to convince them with 2 3 sentences, you are done. You're done doing business with them. So I mean that helped me with my communication, and till date I believe that communication skills can take you to places you can never imagine if you have good communication skills. So I value that a lot.
If I think of it, mechanical engineer topper, interested in coding, going for MTech and then landing a job into ops. Ops was
I
the first role,
know.
no?
My first one
Like
was consulting, actually.
consulting and then
Yes,
operations, like
yes.
completely different tangents altogether.
Even I did not imagine, like looking back, I don't know how it all worked out, and I am happy it worked out. Like, I love how it worked out for me. So,
Nice. But what did you learn? Like at 2 years you were there in Google Ops, right? So
yes,
what was
one
the
and a half.
experience there? 1.5 years. Yeah.
Yes. I believe I my user psychology improved a lot because of that
First of
role.
all, what was the role? Like what you were
Yes,
doing?
of course. So it was mix of consulting and ops. So we were account managers for people who were advertising with Google. So Google Ads is one of the revenue generating products of Google, and Google assigns account managers to few of the high spending accounts.
So
So, and when they want to create a campaign, a marketing campaign, they would contact us and they would ask our help. We want to create a campaign, but we don't know how much to bid, what keywords to use, what not to use, how to set up the campaign, um, and for how long, what should be the budget, what can be the expected traffic, expected CTC. So average CTC, CTR, so those things. So it was a mix of digital marketing, technical consulting, account management, everything.
when I think of it, isn't it similar to what product manager is expected to do, but in a different sense altogether?
Exactly, exactly. So I believe that the best product managers were not product managers in the beginning.
Yeah.
They were either doing marketing, sales,
Mm.
consulting, founder's office. Founder's office is comparatively new, but
Yeah.
like 3, 4, 5 years back, there was like these roles: BA, business analyst, product
Yeah.
analyst, strategy. More like, because if you're thinking on the line of solving a problem for a user, like if you really understand, if you understand their pain points for anything really, so any product, but you understand their pain points, what they want, and if you're able to deliver it to them, you have the basic skill set to become a product manager. So no matter in which profile you're working in
Yeah.
right now.
I completely agree on this lines. ब्रेक नहीं करना है फ्लो बट आई एम सेइंग कि मतलब जो कल हम बात कर रहे थे ऑन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप एज वेल कि मतलब पीपल आर क्रेजी बिहाइंड प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट आई वांट टू गो इन प्रोडक्ट हाउ टू गो इन प्रोडक्ट बट पीपल फॉरगेट दैट इन द एंड यू आर सॉल्विंग अ प्रॉब्लम आप कैसे भी सॉल्व करो राइट इट कैन बी थ्रू प्रोडक्ट इट कैन बी थ्रू मार्केटिंग इट कैन बी थ्रू ऑपरेशंस इफ यू आर सॉल्विंग अ प्रॉब्लम यू वुड बी वैल्यूड जस्ट बिकॉज पीएम इज बूमिंग सब जा रहे हैं उसमें अगर मुझे सेम एग्जांपल आपका देना है द थिंग्स व्हिच यू टोल्ड लाइक यहाँ पे आई एम प्रिटी श्योर यू डिड द सेगमेंटेशन whom टू टारगेट कैसे कीवर्ड्स बत ऐड करने पड़ेंगे टू गेट
Exactly.
दिस रीच एंड एवरीथिंग along with revenue optimization in a way you are solving for a problem and that mindset people are forgetting कि ये PM में चाहिए होता है they are like कि product का role चाहिए in fact I have seen many product roles people are doing these things only like operational work program management and everything just because title है it does not mean कि उसके लिए जाना चाहिए that is my opinion on problem solving mindset.
Yes. I cannot agree more. In fact, I have created a recent video on this, and even today, I was talking to one of my mentees who got one offer. So this is a live example happened today. Who got one offer from a good company for product marketing manager, and she's like, "Ki, no, ma'am, I don't want to take it because it's product marketing. I'll continue with my product internship." So I told her one thing: it's okay to do an internship, product internship you have. Go and negotiate with this offer that if they're able to convert it to full time on. Because in the industry, a full time role will always be valued more than an internship. Why? Because ownership is more in a full time role. No matter what, ownership, you have your KPIs, you have your KRAs. So ownership and accountability is much more in a full time role. So that will be valued more.
Yeah.
And when she's like, "Ki, ma'am, I feel they hired a product manager recently who was a product analyst. I'm like, you can see it right there. You can see that happening. Like that person was not a product manager. He was into similar role, but she got hired as a product manager. So for you, it's okay if it is product marketing. You can later on switch to product management. Even growth PM is a very good role. Uh, Even similar roles you can easily, matlab, you can enjoy the marketing role as well. So why not?
Yeah. I guess once anyone enters in the problem solving role, they would understand कि सब same ही है. Even if you ask a PM, is he enjoying the job? In most of the cases, he enjoying, but he would be equally open to marketing roles as well. अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे, I am happy with APM
Yes.
role, but मैं बोलता हूँ कि next role might be marketing founder's office as well, marketing manager as well. बहुत से, as long as I'm
Yeah,
solving the right problem,
yeah.
I'm okay with it. There should be a mindset shift from कि role चाहिए to what kind of job responsibilities people are enjoying. वो
Yes.
लाना difficult है.
Yes.
So, anyways, coming back to the story जो आपका था, like ठीक है, आपने गूगल में काम किया 1.5 years. You were enjoying the role as well, new responsibilities, kind of a consultant plus operations role, where you are solving a problem, you can see the impact जो हो रहा है लोगों में.
Yes.
Then छोड़ना क्यों था मतलब गूगल?
So, so initially, because that was COVID time. So COVID also happened. So initially in a Google kind of, when you are in a Google workspace, Google building, the vibe is very different. Like you get free transport, free food, free snacks, ice cream is there, like cookies are there. You and lunch, breakfast, dinner, everything is free and buffet. So you are used to so much of pampering that you don't even think of switching. I feel these are the actual golden handcuffs that we you don't
Yeah.
think of switching. So when I was offline and before COVID, I never actually thought of switching. That's the honest truth. But when I came home and I was working from home, I realized that I could do more with my time. Like whatever I'm doing, कुछ ऐसे बिल्ड नहीं हो रहा है जो मैं आगे जाके ऐसे रिफ्लेक्ट करके पीछे देख. Right. So whatever I'm doing, I'm getting better at it. I agree. But कुछ ऐसा मतलब base build नहीं हो रहा है, right? So down the line somewhere I felt like I should have something जो मैं आगे जाके I can like tell कि this work is mine. So somewhere that happened and I'm like, okay, let's see what kind of roles are available. And I had interest into so many things. I like designing. Like when I was young, I used to design my own clothes and made my mom and make my mom stitch it. So I love designing. I love playing with colors, different designs, and I also love coding. I was good with communication. So I wanted somewhere where I can explore all these things and I can utilize all those skills. And product management seemed to be, exactly the right mix of everything. I'm like, why not? This is for me.
First time जब बाहर से देखते it looks the same only, product management. ठीक है, MBA का sole reason was to explore new things and come up with
Yes.
some, I don't know, मतलब product management दिमाग में था when you got into MBA, उसके बाद में ही आया था.
नहीं, पहले से था. And even while staying on the job, I explored PM for like 2 months. But my role was very hectic. Like I was serving the US market, night shift tha, and I was not getting enough sleep. So how would I even prepare? Right. So that's when I decided that to prepare, I had a roadmap in mind. Like even before going into MBA, I read the whole syllabus, what is there in it. So I knew exactly what I'm going to do and how much time I'm going to devote for curriculum and how much time I'm going to devote for internship or product training, those things. So I made a plan and I'm like, okay, this is the time to execute it.
Nice. Then you went into MBA, I think. ये सब होने के बाद MBA in marketing, na? If I'm
Yes.
not wrong. So you knew it was MBA in marketing. You had experience of marketing only. Then
Yeah.
how were you confident कि product management में हो जाएगा? Because most likely role would be marketing manager or product marketing.
Correct. And not gonna lie, I was open to all the variations of product management. I was very open. And then I thought that because experience marketing में है, अगर MBA भी marketing में होता है, if I fail बुरा से बुरा क्या हो जाएगा? Marketing में जाऊंगी ना.
Yeah.
I went with that mindset. सबसे बुरा क्या हो जाएगा? Marketing में चली जाऊंगी. गूगल में वापस चली जाऊंगी. सेम रोल में चली जाऊंगी. ज्यादा पैसे मिलेंगे. सिंपल. So I'm like कि चलो यही करते हैं.
Actually, one point which you mentioned, I really liked it. कि मतलब I was open to similar roles because I think
Yes.
roles तो same ही है. And
Good.
going forward, MBA, as you mentioned, you started with MBA. Abhi, how did you manage time? I am pretty sure MBA is complete hectic thing because I also did MTech. So I know courseworks, assignments, everything would be there. Apart from that, you need to take time for internships, and which is difficult, internships or case studies. तो वो कैसे MBA में manage किया?
I don't know a lot. So I'll give you an example. In MBA, it's kind of like it's a very good thing if you join a lot of clubs. That's very established and everyone believes it. I did not join any club.
Oh,
I'm like, I am not gonna join any club. So I did a very hardcore prioritization of my goals, and I realized that clubs are not really something that would help me achieve the goals faster. Because honestly, in clubs you explore what you want to do, but I already knew what I wanted to do. I had a roadmap. I have to execute it. है ना? And I had experience of building a club from scratch in my BTech as well. I built our technical club from scratch. So I had that experience. मतलब हो गया है तो अभी it's not that exciting to me. So then I decided कि I'll not join any club. And everyone used to, question, you did not join any club. You could join just any club you want. Why did you not join? I'm like, no.
okay. ये सब हो गया करके.
Yeah. But in the second year, I actually, created a new club, like me with my friends, for competitions because I felt people were doing a lot of things, but they were not very like proactively participating in competitions. You remember in the first year, we used to participate in so many case studies and competitions. Like every other week, there was a day where we had, matlab, two two presentations like back to back. And I had to manage time. Like, how do I go out? Like, so it is all, it all boils down to your prioritization. Like, if you're able to say no, if you know what you want to do, you'll have to say no and then just execute your plan properly.
आपका आवाज आ रहा है मतलब
हाँ.
so what I was saying was मतलब आपने दो चीजें की curriculum and case studies in first year. That was the
Yes.
only thing which you did.
I also used to do a lot of internships. So I
Then first year
always
me you
said-
started.
Yes. So I'll tell you. Because it was COVID time, right? So when even like before my classes were about to start, even like the last day I kept working. That was like my last day, and just the next day my classes are starting. So I'm like, कि my last day तक काम करती रहती हूँ. What would you do? It's COVID. You're at home. You don't know what to do. So I'm like, चलो कर लेते हैं. When I got into like when the classes started, within a week, because the alumni or the current students of IITs get newsletters, get different internship opportunities. So I saw one internship opportunity with an edtech company, and then I was like, okay, let's do it. I joined that company, and I was doing an internship part time there.
Oh,
Then I started looking for something more because I always had that. So I joined another edtech company as a marketing lead. So I left this internship, I joined that one. Then while I was doing, then you approached me for another edtech company into product management. So then I left this one, I joined that one as a associate program manager. Then I learned about product management. I'm like, okay, now I feel a lot more confident. And And finally, that I think I did all that internships. Till my third semester, I was always working somewhere. Like I
Oh,
never left corporate, so I was always relevant to the industry. I was
yes.
always working somewhere. Like, but I feel it helps me to stay busy and be focused as well. Because
Mm,
I've seen a lot of people getting into courses and just getting lost into those courses,
yeah,
becoming very theoretical. Down the lane, I don't recommend it for anyone.
yeah,
You should always stay relevant to the industry. At least do some practical work, and along with that, you upgrade your knowledge. That is fine.
yeah. Agree a lot on this. प्रॉब्लम विथ एडटेक इज ऑल्सो सेम ना उनको लगता है कि कोर्स करके ऑटोमेटिक जॉब मिलेगा इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग हैंड्स ऑन वर्क आई एम प्रेटी श्योर कोई भी एम्प्लॉयर लेगा नहीं वाई वुड एनी कंपनी टेक जिसको एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है और अदर पीपल जहाँ पे इतने एक्सपीरियंस लोग हैं यू नीड
Yeah,
टू हैव सम प्रोजेक्ट्स सम केस स्टडी कॉम्पिटिशन्स और इंटर्नशिप्स उसके बिना तो
yeah,
होगा ही नहीं
correct. I totally agree. If you think from that perspective, while I was in BTech, I started working in the second
हम्म,
year of BTech. So it was in 2016. Let's say
हम्म,
2016. And from 16 to 24, even when I was studying, I was working.
हम्म,
So if you're thinking from, like, if you're considering the whole window, even though some of it was not full time, some of it was internship, but I was always in touch with the industry, and I always kept myself relevant to the industry. So I've put like the practical effort to be where I am.
yeah I agree but managing मतलब three things together case studies plus internships plus coursework, right?
Yeah,
Right.
it's not easy.
Yeah.
One,
But I think you are
two,
a workaholic as well. I have seen you working only because
yes,
I think आपको work का कुछ लगता नहीं है. Work नहीं हो तो you would be bored from what I know.
yeah. And I feel if you're enjoying what you're doing, so
True.
it's a good thing. I enjoy what I do. And
Hmm.
even with the internship, the moment I felt boring and uninterested, I switched to another internship.
Yeah.
Like, till the time you're enjoying it, do it.
Yeah. I agree a lot with this. Like लोग बोलते हैं weekends को कुछ करना है. That is the reason. That could be reason. I'm not saying that is the reason. But that could be one of the reason could be कि मतलब they might not be enjoying. As you mentioned, I think we had a discussion on this as well. Saturday,
Hmm.
Sundays, now you are working on fintech PM initiatives and everything because that is something
Yes.
which excites you. तो आपको लगता ही नहीं है कि relaxation करना है and all those
Yeah,
चीजें.
yeah. And it gives me more energy to go back to my work. So
Yeah.
that is actually helping me to work, and my work gives me the stability to keep working on FinTech PM. So they are kind of supporting each other.
Yeah. So even मतलब जो statements आते हैं you should work 70 hours a week वो सब चीजें don't want to go there but I think खुद के लिए work कर सकते हैं if you find interesting anything. क्योंकि Saturday,
You no
Sundays
no you have mentioned a very important point.
not for
खुद के लिए.
companies खुद के लिए like
Exactly. You should be compensated. Like if the
yeah.
company is giving you overtime, like in Google, I used to do overtime because at that time my team required it. But I was
Hmm.
compensated for that overtime always.
Yeah.
So worth it.
Yeah. I remember my first case study I did with you, Apreska. That
Yes.
was my first product case studies. And that also
Yes.
gave me a lot of confidence, to be honest. तब हमारा जॉब भी नहीं था ना इंटर्नशिप भी नहीं चालू था ना अपना अप्रेस में उसके बाद मिला हमें इंटर्नशिप
उसके बाद मिला. Yes.
बट
I remember.
फर्स्ट
It was on their, I think, their program.
प्रेपा
है ना?
ऑनलाइन
Yes,
इंटरव्यू
yes,
प्रेप
yes. Yes, yes, yes. It was
सो
on that. But I feel that was like the first case study that I did actual product का. मतलब previously I did case studies, but product का नहीं किया था मैंने. First product का case study was with you, and it was totally worth it. You remember we used to go through so many PPTs and then try to understand, so what did they do wrong, what did they do right. And we used to implement it for our PPT, so completely worth it.
yeah मतलब I learned a lot personally from that as well
Same.
because different perspective first team case study भी था even the way you were making everyone think मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि सबको बुलाओ करो अभी all those चीजें worked well क्योंकि that also gave me confidence कि I can do case studies as well. So that was my first experience as well कि ठीक है case studies तो
Uh,
कर सकता है and group में करना is better.
and I feel for you and post that case study, for most of my cases, so after that point, I knew what kind of, teammates I need to work with. And I always used to prefer you because you are the kind of a person who would ask 5 questions and, force me to think. Even if I was not thinking, you would force me to think. So
Mm.
the kind of questions you asked was always very intriguing, very insightful, and it always used to get my brain running. So I from that point in time I always used to prefer you as a teammate for case studies.
Same. तो because first case study था हम लोग को अच्छा
Was
लगा था
it?
like जब हम
Yes.
competition हारे थे हम तो गाली दे रहे थे हम लोग को लिया नहीं पागल कंपनी है. Then when I look at the case study now सच में गंदा था but we learned a lot.
Yes, we did.
पूरा rant किया था हम लोग को नहीं लिया top 5 top 6 में.
By ranting, I am coming. Why did I pause you? I feel that right now a lot of people are looking for jobs, going through interviews, and
Hmm.
it's very stressful for them. And I honestly believe there should be a platform where they're able to rant.
True.
So I am thinking of an initiative where people will be able to rant. But so why like I did not start it yet is I want to make sure that they are safe while they are ranting.
Mhm.
So they should not be, it should be anonymous. They should not be tagged to that
Yeah.
particular thing. So while they are sharing their experience. So I'm gonna keep like an anonymous form and people can fill that form and just rant. And maybe you could read it out to others so that others can understand how stressful it is.
Yeah.
And maybe I can give, tips or solutions to their situation as
Uh,
well. So I'm
yeah.
thinking of creating an initiative like that.
Nice. Interesting. Thought देना पड़ेगा इसमें. Let's discuss this later. But हाँ, that case study was one of that thing कि मतलब पूरा I think हमने 1 घंटे पहले सबमिट किया था पूरा बना के and then लास्ट में
Yes,
सिलेक्ट.
yes, I remember.
तो एक्साइटिंग था बट
Uh,
बाद में bookings.com का केस स्टडी जीते थे हम सेकंड प्लेस.
yes,
So
worth
that
it
was
था.
kind of
And
कि ठीक है अब सही है.
हाँ, I feel that after that point in time, जो कॉन्फिडेंस था वो बहुत ज्यादा मतलब हाई हो गया था. एटलीस्ट फॉर मी कि like we have been trying so hard to just win one product competition or product case study competition. वो finally हो गया था. I'm like कि अब no one can stop me.
Yeah. But that was exciting time. At least I think we were doing masters at the same time. So case studies करते थे. So
हाँ,
that
it was
helped me a lot
helpful.
as well, like doing case studies, having those conversations. क्योंकि अकेले में case study करके शायद इतना सीख नहीं पाते.
Yeah, I
So
agree. अकेले में brainstorming is not
yeah.
easy, and it is also difficult to find like a peer who compliments you
Yeah.
in that works.
उसके बाद हमने अप्रेज में internship in second year मुझे लगता है. You are second year.
हाँ,
And
हाँ, it
मैं
was
तो
my
तब IT
second
में
year.
था.
Yes,
So
it was my second year.
but
I came for 3 months and it kept on extending till the time my third semester ended and I actually got like an offer letter for a product
yeah.
role on campus. I was continuing with Upraise. It was a good team. I learned a lot and yeah, it was worth it.
Yeah. To be honest, Appraise gave me lots of confidence. Like product management हम कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पे in a way we were doing everything ना सब था. Content भी बना रहे थे, लाइव सेशंस भी ले रहे थे हम लोग,
Yes,
डाउट सॉल्विंग भी
yes,
था एंड ऑल्सो प्रोडक्ट इम्प्रूवमेंट्स भी थे. इट इज लाइक सब करो जो भी है, इवन डैशबोर्ड्स
correct,
बनाना है. तो इट्स लाइक
correct.
सब एक्सपीरियंस आ रहा है तो व्हाई नॉट, लर्न तो हो रहा है सब. एंड दैट
हाँ,
गिव्स मी कॉन्फिडेंस क्योंकि कोर्स भी अप्रेज का इन अ वे स्ट्रक्चर देखा था एंड एवरीथिंग दैट इट मेक्स सेंस कि मतलब हाउ पीपल आर क्रैकिंग इट. तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया था. बाय अप्रेज जैसे ही छोड़ा सेम टाइम पे ही छोड़ा था अगेन.
हाँ, ये भी
Last year was same.
same day, same time.
But to be honest, I'm thankful to appraise everything which I did there for 8 to 9 months. Best time because managers were good. And
Yeah, I remember. And I feel they kind of, used to handhold and then explain. And then the way they performed, like the way they explained to us as well as implemented those product concepts and they thought
Mm,
in a product management perspective. So that was
yeah,
very helpful for me. I finally had a manager I was looking up because I
mm,
never had that till now. I finally had someone who I wanted to be like. So
mm,
that was a very big motivation to continue with Appraise for such a long time.
yeah. Learning wise, it was good. And then I think you got a job and then worked as an APM there.
Yeah.
Wanted to dive more into that first before we go into fintech PM community. How was your experience working as an APM at Annapurna?
So so I joined as a management associate, but they told me because of my work experience, after 1 year, I'll become a senior PM, a PM,
Mm,
senior PM. Right. So the first thing that I saw was like the hype that product management had in the industry. और जब करने को मिलता है, it is equally, I feel, जो पिछले रोल्स भी थे, equally
mm,
effort देना पड़ता है. ऐसा, there is nothing glorious about it. To be honest, जब काम करना होता है, you'll have to get on the ground and get things going. And
mm,
I also realized that you're working with a lot of people who don't report to you. So they are not really liable to listen to you. Why would they?
mm,
But you can, you have to be smart enough to explain the importance of the task and communicate the benefit of doing the task and
mm,
make people do their work. Else your task will not be prioritized. Your the timeline would be skewed. So yes. So and that's what I done. I feel I was in a position there, like in that company, where I in a position higher than most people, right?
mm,
And I was being compensated also. I was in like the top 10 of the
mm,
company, you can say, like top 10, 20, like all of us, all the
yeah,
management associates, top 10 to 20 percent in the company, as per the designation as well as the compensation. So
mm,
a lot of people would that kind of acts as a default to authority, right? When you're in a higher position, a lot of
mm,
people do listen to you by default, and but that does not make the job very easy.
mm,
It is still challenging, and I feel we learned a lot on how to manage internal stakeholders because it was like the first time I was working with so many departments and like people who were so senior to me. I was directly working with them, and that it is kind of little difficult for a person to exactly make that switch right away. But I always told ki, you asked for this, you got it, Tanya. You asked for it, so that's what you get. You now you have to do. You cannot
yeah,
you cannot lose right now. You asked for this, you got it. You have to prove yourself right.
yeah,
Yourself. Right? You have to just convince yourself that you deserve this and you have to convince yourself that you can do it.
yeah. I could so relate with this कि मतलब काम करवाना is a difficult task and you need to figure out कैसे करवाना है. नहीं तो होगा नहीं.
Yes. Yes.
But I think first PM job में everyone would face the same problem. ऐसे मेरा perception है
Yeah.
because वो समझने को time जाता ही है. You need 5 months, 3 months in the system. Then you get to know अच्छा कैसे काम करवा सकते हैं
हाँ
या कैसे
एंड
काम
जब
हो रहा है
तक
कंपनी में.
जब तक एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता है ना करने का एक्चुअली तब तक समझ
Mm,
में भी नहीं आएगा लाइक यू कैन नॉट लर्न इट थियोरिटिकली वो करके
mm,
धीरे धीरे ही आप सीखोगे विद टाइम सो
Yeah, and now into Reliance, which is a
यस
much bigger company now. I am pretty
Yeah.
sure you are enjoying there as a senior PM, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. I feel once you like get into a senior position, work, matlab, it becomes easier to make people do the work because you're at a
Mm.
senior position, they respect you and everything. But the responsibility, ownership, those
Mhm.
things also increase. So, but I enjoy when people have high expectations of me. I appreciate if you have high expectation of me, I appreciate it. And I would live up to it. So I tell myself like it's a good thing, I'll live up to it. So
Mm.
I appreciate when people have more expectation. I like when people give me a lot of responsibilities. So I'm very responsibility driven. So I'm always open to responsibilities. And that's how it changes. I feel if I look back 3 years pehle,
Mm.
my role was very individualistic. Matlab,
Mm.
I used to do my own thing, coordinate with my own manager. That's it. But right now, my work is like I have people working under me. I have also people in other department who I'll be coordinating with. I have people who are very, very seniors, like CTOs,
Mm.
right? Who I have to talk to directly. And I have to like convince कि हाँ ये roadmap बनाया है, like let's discuss. And that is not easy. That is not easy. It's not easy to convince someone who is so senior to you, but
Yeah.
it gets easy with time. So worth it.
Mhm. There is a perception among many aspiring PMs or people who have just gone into APM कि अगर मैं APM का रोल है और प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर इन जनरल I need to only work on product improvements. How true is it? और उसके अलावा क्या क्या responsibilities होती है? At least
That
from your
that is
experience.
I feel that is a very restrictive way of thinking because
Mm.
if you're a product manager, you should proactively get into more things. You should because as a
Mm.
product manager, you're not doing something like you don't have like a specific task that you can do and you'll be like, "Ye ho gaya mera kaam." It's
Mm.
not gonna happen. You'll have to make people. You're not developing the UI UX. You're coordinating with the UI UX designer to get it done. You're not developing the app. You're not coding. You're coordinating with the developer to get it done. So you should get more involved into things like get involved
Mm.
with marketing, get involved with
Mm.
I don't know, designers, developers so by default hai, and get involved with
Operations.
salespeople. What do the
Yes.
operations? What do they see on a day-to-day basis? They will be the people who will give you the ground reality of what is actually happening.
Mm.
What you're
Yeah.
thinking, is it matching the expectation of the users or not?
Yeah.
So try to get into more roles and more
Mhm.
responsibilities, work cross functionally with different teams.
Yeah.
And like that is like the worst thing you can do if you say that I would just do this part. Never do that. Make yourself more relevant to the company so
Yeah.
that it is more difficult to replace you.
Yeah. I totally inspired क्योंकि few PMs or many people have this mindset कि मुझे बस engineers, developers and me, we will develop a product. But I think everyone needs to understand if you are solving a problem, sometimes problems can be solved through operations, marketing, कहीं
Yes,
से भी हो सकता है.
yes,
Expectation setting. And you should be willing to do anything. That also. It's not like कि
yes,
काम नहीं है, I won't go there. Kind of.
yes, yes. Build your own,
Yeah.
I would say, build that need in the company for your skill
Mhm.
set. Build that so that people in the company say, कि, okay, इस बंदे से बात कर सकते
सब
हैं.
पता
This
होगा.
person, हाँ, let's talk to that person. That person will get it done. And be
Mm.
very proactive. Something that I learned after getting into a product role, communicate with the stakeholders regularly. So if you have given a deadline, if you're not able to make it, that is okay. But if you're not
Mm.
communicating and getting back to them, that is not okay. So always
True.
communicate. You're a human, and there are multiple things because of which the deadline might get extended. Just fine, but you should have a proper justification. Following up with people proactively is very important. And yeah, I feel that just make sure that you understand the why behind what you're doing. So just
Mm.
because someone told you to do something, don't go and do it. Like ask that person ki,
Mm.
why you want this to be done. right?
Yeah.
Because you'll have to communicate that requirement to 10 more people. If you're not clear with your why, they are not going to listen to you. So make sure you understand why you're doing something.
Yeah, agree on all the points.
Highly, yes.
कुछ बोलना है इसके बारे में ओवरऑल APM जर्नी के बारे में if you want to sum this up.
So I was never behind the title of product manager, right? I was always behind the work that product manager does. So I feel that kind of perspective very early on helped me to, filter out what I want to do and what I don't want to do, and then how I want to do it. Like that kind of perspective really helps me, and it helped me to stay motivated because now I know that title matter नहीं करता है. Like even if I don't get the title, if I get like a good thing to work on, I'll be happy. So वो जो pressure रहता है, stress रहता है to get into product, what if I don't get into product gets converted to what if I don't get, what if I don't get, what if I don't get. That kind of completely, vanished for me. I'm like, कोई बात नहीं. I will be doing something which is meaningful, simple.
Yes.
So that worked out for me.
Yeah, totally agree on this. I think many people should learn from this. देखो ऐसे mindset होना चाहिए when you are even looking for a job, look for impact.
Yeah.
And man, so anything which you want to say before we close this off?
Trust the process and just do your work.
Hmm.
Keep doing, trust the process, take a step. Don't take too much before taking a step. Just take it
Yeah.
and see how it goes. If you fail, you learn. If you do great, awesome.
Yeah, cool. Thank you for coming here
You're
with
most
you
welcome,
once
Hassan.
again.
It is always great talking to you because you're such an insightful person. And I am very vocal about Athav's skill set. Right? He's one of those people who I feel actually thinks like a product manager, actually
Right.
thinks like a PM. So I can definitely say it's always a pleasure to talk to you, discuss problems, discuss solutions. One of the best product people I know.
Arey, thank you.